Alright, guys, welcome back. I went to Target for the third time. I got the dragon that I needed for Mix 38. There's Dragon, guys, Monster logo. Basically, all I need for this is a chase piece, Megalodon, and that's it. So I'm almost done with this case, finally. Dragon, Monster Jam, guys, True Metal. There's the barcode, of course, as well. The packaging, really nice. Let's go and open it. Alright. Put the light on it so you can see it. There you go, guys. So, there's a dragon with the orange tires, green rims, and beadlocks on like a light green roll cage. It looks it looks weird on the camera. Dark green chassis. The dragon, 3D dragon. There's a nostril and the scales, the horns. Dragon with the Monster Jam logo. They should do the back part like they do the big one. I don't know why they don't. But the 124 scale does have this big piece in the back, but this one doesn't for some odd reason. So it's really cool color combination. It pops. So I'm not getting this one this year if it comes out again, which I know it's going to come out with different tires, but I'm not spending money on them. I'm just going to get one, and with one I'm fine, and that's it. I don't need to buy variants for what. So that's all I got today, guys. Like, subscribe, comment, share, guys. More unboxings coming soon. Peace out. Hope you all enjoyed.